Hello friends, myself BK Maurya. I welcome all of you in my YouTube channel that is Study with BK Maurya. चलिए दोस्तों शुरू करते हैं आज का टॉपिक that is Milliman's theorem. The topic is Milliman's theorem. M-I-L-L-M-A-N Milliman's theorem. Right? Now first of all, the statement of Milliman theorem. Milliman theorem is used for finding a single equivalent voltage source for a number of voltage sources connected in parallel. Right? According to this theorem, we can make a single voltage source for number of voltage sources connected in parallel. See, this one is the voltage source B1 having internal resistance R1. Right? This one is B2, internal resistance R2. This one is B3 with internal resistance R3 and so on. Right? All these voltage sources are connected in parallel. This one is the nth, that is Rn, and voltage is Bn, and after that these are the 2 points across which load resistance is connected. Right? According to this theorem, we can make an equivalent circuit diagram containing single voltage source along with resistance R in series, and these are the points A and B. Load resistor is connected over here. Right? Current through the load resistor is RIL. Okay. Now, here our task is how can we make this equivalent circuit. Right? To make this equivalent circuit, it is necessary to calculate B and R. Right? First of all, calculation of B. Calculation of B. Right? For the calculation of B, V is equal to plus minus B1 G1 plus B2 G2 plus minus, it is plus minus B1 G1 plus minus B2 G2 plus minus B3 G3 plus minus Bn Gn divided by G1 plus G2 plus up to Gn. Right? By this formula we can calculate the equivalent voltage source B. Now question is, what is G? G is nothing but reciprocal of resistance. G is reciprocal of resistance. Right? Say if this one is R1, so it is equal to 1 upon G1. R2 as 1 upon G2. Right? Now for the calculation of R is equal to 1 upon G, which is nothing but 1 divided by G1 plus G2 plus dot 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 up to Gn. Right? Okay. Now I am repeating Milliman's theorem. Milliman's theorem is useful in finding a single voltage source along with resistance R for a number of voltage sources connected in parallel, right? See, B1, B2, B3 up to Bn are the voltage sources. These voltage sources are connected in parallel along with internal resistances R1, R2, R3 dot 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 Rn respectively. Right? What is the formula for the calculation of B? B equal to plus minus B1 G1 plus minus B2 G2 plus minus B3 G3 dot 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 plus minus Bn Gn divided by G1 plus G2 plus G3 up to Gn. And for the calculation of R, R is equal to 1 upon capital G, that is 1 upon G1 plus G2 plus G3 up to Gn. Right? Now, we can calculate the current through the load resistor, which is nothing but IL equal to V divided by R plus RL. R plus RL. Right? This is the formula for the calculation of current through load resistor. So this is all about the Milliman's theorem. Now see the example based on Milliman's theorem. Now see the example based on Milliman's theorem. There are now see the example based on Milliman's theorem. There are 4 voltage sources having the values of 10 volt, 10 volt, 10 volt and 10 volt along with internal resistances 10 ohm, 10 ohm, 10 ohm and 10 ohm respectively. Right? There is a load resistance having the value of 2.5 ohm across the point A and B. Calculate the load current IL with the help of Milliman's theorem. So, according to this theorem, it is necessary to make an equivalent circuit diagram containing single source, that is B, along with internal resistance R, and load is connected across points A and B. Right? It is load which is nothing but 2.5 ohm for this particular question. Yes, according to the Milliman's theorem, we can make this an equivalent circuit diagram for this circuit. How can we calculate the value of B? B is nothing but plus minus B1 G1, that is B1 is 10 and G1 is reciprocal of this 10. R is equal to 1 upon G, so it is 0.1 plus 10 into 0.1 for this one, for this one and for this one. See, 10 into 0.1 plus 10 into 0.1, right? Now here G1 plus G2 plus G3, so it is 0.1 plus 0.1 plus 0.1 plus 0.1. It becomes 4 divided by 0.4, which is nothing but 10 volt. So the value of this V is 10 volt. Now for the calculation of capital R, which is nothing but 1 upon capital G, 1 upon G1 plus G2 plus G3 plus G4, so it is 0.1 plus 0.1 plus 0.1 plus 0.1, right? It becomes 1 divided by 0.4, which is nothing but 2.5. 1 upon 0.4, which is nothing but 2.5 ohm, right? This one is 2.5 ohm. Now the value of IL, that is the current in the load resistor. What is the value of single voltage source? That is 10 divided by Rin, that is 2.5, and RL is, once again it is 2.5, so it is 10 divided by 5, which is nothing but 2 ampere, right? So this is all about the example based on Millman's theorem.
अगर ये क्लास आप लोगों को पसंद आ रही हो तो प्लीज़ इस क्लास को ज़रूर लाइक कर लीजिए। आप अगर मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं तो इस चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। और अगर आपको कोई सजेशन देना हो, कोई फीडबैक देना हो, या किसी नए टॉपिक पर नई वीडियो बनवानी हो, न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व कराने हो, तो मुझे ज़रूर कमेंट बॉक्स में बता दीजिए। मुझे खुशी होगी आपके फीडबैक और कमेंट्स जान के, और मैं ज़रूर उन वीडियोस को आपके सामने अपने चैनल के थ्रू लेके आऊँगा। चलिए मिलते हैं हम लोग किसी अगली क्लास में। तब तक के लिए आप अपना और अपनों का ख्याल रखिए। धन्यवाद।